Hey guys, welcome to Go Unique. I believe you enjoyed my last video. Today, I'm gonna unbox this camera bag that I ordered last week. Let's do it. I was following up this from few weeks. Finally, it's here. By the way, this is my first camera bag. Earlier I used this low pro one. But this new one feels really premium. Its safety sponge are so thick that can give an extra protection to your camera and your lenses. And this side window allow you to take out your camera very fast. Okay, the best part to me is this upper compartment. A complete different section for laptop or mobile charges and other big accessories. Okay, additionally we will get this camera pouch for the camera and the rain cover with it in the bottom. And these straps are also so comfortable. This comes with these hooks to hang something. The back side of this bag is very soft that can provide extra comfort to your bag. Also here the back panel have a laptop section. By the way, the size is for 15.5 inches laptop. And it can carry extra sleek laptop or iPad. On the left side, we can get an extra pocket for tripod with this supported hook. Overall, this is amazing and I'm going to use this in my next trip. In the meantime, you can share your feedback below.